Okay, so to review how we're going to find or estimate the limit using the table. So here's how you're going to read this when I say limit. As if you notice, I say x and there's an arrow. What this was saying is that as x approaching 0. So this one is x approaches 0. Okay, so the point that we're going to focus at is what happened from the left side and then from the right side towards 0. And that's what we're going to focus on. Okay, so to do this, we're going to need the calculator, and we're going to learn how to type. We're going to need to use a calculator. What we're going to do is we're going to type in this equation. We can use this, or if you can use decimal to do it. The idea is we're going to figure out what is the values when x is negative 0.01. If I plug it in, what is the y values? And we're going to do that. So here's a mistake on my slide. So I just type in extra 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the calculator. Okay. And then what we're going to do with that is we're going to plug it in. So what I'm going to show is how to use the graphing calculator to fill in the value. So when I have the number, I would do another video on how to use a calculator, but right now I'm going to fill in the values once I plug it into my calculator. So this is the what values I got for negative 0.1. In calculus, we always want 3 decimal place, so be careful with that. It's going to be 513.501. So this is the values that I got from using my calculator. So I'm just going to fill that in. At negative 0.001 is 0.500. Over here is say error. So if it's error, I will put down error. Okay. 0.499, 0.498, 0.488. So by look at this one, as you can see, the values from the left and the values coming from the right is really get closer and closer to 0.5. So the limit is the values that the y values that coming from the left and coming from the right, they come in toward the same number, in which in this case is 0.5. Okay, and that is how you find limit using the table.